Hi guys, Niall here from learntotradethemarket.com and welcome to another trade setups video. I've just spotted the trade on the British pound 4-hour chart and I thought I'd walk you through the trade and explain the logic in my entry. I want to draw your attention to this level here at 166.80. You can see the market did move up to this level, rotated down and then finally broke through the same level, and now we've just cushioned back at this level 166.80. This is obviously an important inflection point or swing point in the market. The fact that we're just holding here and we've just seen a nice 4-hour pin bar reversal signal does suggest to me that prices do want to try and push higher back towards that 168.20 level, which is the recent high just up here on the chart. So the logic is, if this level here is holding right here, we will see prices move back up to this recent high. There's a little bit more in this that I just want to explain. One thing we can do is just quickly go to the daily chart and we will see that the price is generally trending higher. Yes, it is choppy, but we are trading with the path of least resistance, which is upwards. If we do zoom into the 4-hour chart, we still have that nice upward momentum. I'm going to zoom in further and just explain this signal in detail. So what I'm looking for with my trading is not only trading with the trend and trading at key levels. I look for a trigger, a confirmation, and in this case it's this pin bar reversal here. It's actually a long-tailed 4-hour pin bar reversal. It's something that I teach my students, and it's one of my most common strategies or most common entries, usually trading it on a daily 4-hour chart or 1-hour chart. Now we do have a quality signal here, and I want to explain to you how I'm going to get in, where I'm going to place my stop, and where I'm going to try and get out of the trade. So we have this level here, 166.80. Obviously, I'm going to try and get an entry or buy the market as close to the support level as possible. So I'm going to try and buy it around here. I'm going to place a limit order in, so if the market does rotate down here, I will be in a long position. I'm going to look for the market to head up towards 168.20, which is around about 140 points away. So let's say 120 to 140 point target. And I'm going to place my stop below the low, well below the low of today's bar, which is actually below 166.40. I'm going to try and get it well below 166.40, somewhere down here. And obviously I will monitor the market on an intraday basis every 4 to 8 hours and just monitor the price action. Hopefully this works out. So it will be a nice 2-to-1 risk reward. And the way I worked that out is 140 point target, and with a stop loss of around 60 to 70 points. Obviously 70 goes into 140 twice, so it'll be a 2-to-1 risk reward, I call that. Now there's a good chance that I might not actually get filled on this trade. As I said, I am waiting for the market to rotate down towards the 166.80 to 167 support area. If we do end up getting down to that entry area, I will be in a long position. Hopefully things work out and price does move up towards the target area around 168.20. Obviously things could go wrong, and that's why we have the stop loss in place. And as I said before, that'll be well below the tail or the low of this bar here. Really hope you enjoyed today's video. If you'd like to learn more, head over to learntotradethemarket.com. We'll see you in the next video. Good trading.